everyone, welcome to Making Your Own GIFs. I'm Miss Leslie and I'm here to help. I'm sure you've seen all kinds of funny GIFs. Did you know you can make your own? It may seem hard, but it isn't. Here's some silly GIFs that you can find on Giphy. And here's a silly cat. And who can resist these silly pandas? And here's one I made about tacos. I'm here to help you get started and tell you all the secrets to success. Let's get started by signing up for an account. Just like any of these other websites, you need to sign up for an account. We're going to go to the web page, Giphy, and this is one of the easiest ones to make your GIFs on. So go to Giphy.com, GIPHY.com, and make a new account by entering your information. I'm sure you've done this many times before, or sign up with Apple or Facebook, whichever way you'd like to do it. Here's some of the silly GIFs I made already. You can make a picture one, or you can make a video one. So for the picture GIF, you're just going to add a picture and then decorate it. I like hummingbirds, so I made one with hummingbirds. And then for the video, I made a bunny one, and I recorded a little bunny video on my phone, and then I decorated it for Easter. So once you've made your account, you're going to go to create and upload your picture. So as you can see, there's a few different things you can do. You can make a GIF. You can use JPEG, PNG, or GIF. JPEG and PNG are pictures, and then GIF is a GIF, and then of course an MP4 or a movie file. Also can use that to create, and those would be movies. So once you upload your picture, you're going to go to this page and add a caption by typing something in the white box. So probably keep it short because you don't want to take up too much room in your GIF. Then choose a color. And you see all the colors right there. And then you can change the style and the animation. Click on some of them and try the different things to see what you like. And then once you have the caption on the GIF, you can move it around, make it bigger or smaller, just like many other programs. And here you can also add stickers, filters, or drawings on your GIF. When it's done, click upload, and then if you use pictures from another page, you enter the URL on that white line, and if not, type original work. And then you can add tags. Tags will allow people to find your GIF. And finally, click on or off to make your GIF public. If you just want to be the one to see it and share it with your friends, click off. But if you want to have it on the Giphy site for other people to see, then you can say on. Just make sure you don't have any personal identifying information on any of your GIFs. Now you can make a video GIF. Video GIFs are a little different. You have to do your video and then you can upload it. When you're doing your video, get creative and get silly when you make your video. It makes them a whole lot more fun. Here I made a rabbit hop around and tell everyone to go to the library. So you're going to go back to the create spot again, choose your file and upload it, and then you're going to have your video here. So you want to decide when the video starts and ends, because when you record a video, you don't always get it perfect, and you got to keep it pretty short on a GIF. So you're going to trim your video. The start time gets rid of any hiccups at the beginning of the video, and then the duration trims the end. Once you got that all set, click Continue to decorate. And then, similar to the other picture, you're going to add a caption, stickers, filters, and drawings. Here we have a little bit more about stickers. You can search stickers to find just the right decoration, and then click on it to put it on your picture. Once the stickers are selected, move them around or make them larger or smaller by dragging the bottom corner. When it's all finished, click on Continue to upload. Just like the other one, you're going to add a URL if you took a video from another page. Add the tags to help people find your GIF. And also click on or off to make your GIF public or not public. So after you make some of your videos, you can go to your account by clicking on your account name in the top right-hand corner, and you can see all your GIFs that you made. Click on the GIF and it'll come up, and then you can share it, embed it in your blog or your web page, or share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Give it a try and send me your results at lblend@mybpl.org. If you want to learn more about tech topics, check out one of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you make all kinds of fun GIFs. Bye!